Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit of taking the pipes down now. We wrap the ends with plastic wrap. Duct tape 2 sections together so that it doesn't bust apart and fall on our face. Doesn't seem like it's that hot out today, but man, is it hot up here. Don't know why. Ooh, don't know why. Okay, I've got those 2 sections duct taped together. Moving this screen with the paper on it down to catch any dribulize. Up and down, up and down. Now comes the fun part of separating the 2 sections. Move this back a little bit. We have section separation. I'm going to take plastic, put it over one of the ends. Can't breathe very hard up here because it'll blow all this stuff all over the place. Tape over the top. Grab the plastic, secure it. And that's secure. Unfortunately, I forgot my wire snips. One wire. That's the other wire. See, be careful. Down comes the tube. This stuff isn't as bad as the last time we had to take these down, because this is nice and dry and it's real light and it just blows right off of whatever it lands on. before, it was so gooey and messy, there was nothing you could do to keep from making a terrible mess. This is better though. Okay, lather, rinse, and repeat. Okay, got all the piping out now. Pretty dang clean job too. There's the end of it. I'm going to go ahead and pull the chimney sweep thing through to clean that out so we don't ever have to worry about that again. Cap that end off there. And then we'll get to work on putting in the new propane furnace. That's going to go right about over here somewhere. Not exactly sure where yet, but in this general area. But it's a practically picture-perfect day out. It's probably about 75, maybe 73. Blue skies, nice breeze. We got the juice. How much better can it get? Amen.